Make sure you drink water every day, because if you don't, you're just missing out. Make sure you locked in all the way. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Not in the last video, but the video before that, we had a comment. You should play Texas Chainsaw. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for your comment. I appreciate all the comments that I get in my videos. It shows me all the love and support that y'all got going on. If y'all want to recommend games, don't be shy. Go ahead. You can recommend games all day. I'm playing them. There's nothing I'm not going to play, bro. So if you got a game that you want me to play, you got a game that you like, man, I just want to see him play this, just drop it in the comments, bro. Drop one right now if you want to. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The document contains a blah 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 blah. Yep, automatic English. Yep, turn them on. Yep, yep. Should we turn the music down? We'll just keep it. Nope.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh my God! Wow! Let's do this! I don't got no XP points, no nothing. I don't know who that is. Should we do a tutorial? Nah, we just gonna go right into it. We don't need no tutorial. We don't do tutorials. Me playing the game is the tutorial. What? Locked in. Oh, am I? Oh, I'm Leatherface? Da-da-da. First game on, we Leatherface. Hold on. Characters. Bros is level 10, that's crazy. Can I change characters? I'm just ready up. Wait, my controller died. Alright, let's do this. The only thing we gonna have to look at is controls, but that's it. Besides the controls,
Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The
what?
Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last
Look at that armadillo.
The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the abandoned search in nearby communities Harlow and Chinatown will unearth the lead.
Ah! It's all good. Alright, let me collect that blood though. Cause I seen we gotta feed grandpa. So let me get that. R1. Oh! Alright, bet. Open the door. Wake up grandpa first? Alright, bet. I can't run. We just gonna stop the chainsaw. I don't know if we could do gas or what. Search this. What's in here? Oh, that's sort of like where people was hiding at. Alright, bet. Shut up, chicken. Open that. Where's the upstairs area? Am I selling? It say wake up grandpa, but how I get upstairs? Is there a map? There's no map. Can I go this way? Nope. I can't go that way. I just want to go upstairs, man. How? I'm finna get it in the chat. I need help. Oh, I see somebody over there. I can't crawl through the crawl space. Oh my gosh, I'm disappointing you. I'm letting you down right now. Yep, I'm glad he's just up, cause I couldn't find upstairs anyway. Better not, yeah. I seen him. Oh, you're like that? Bet. No, stop. Stop. We got a murder. We got a murderer. Yep. Oh yeah. Where you going? Oh, that's our homie. That's our homie. I'm following you, bro. Go ahead. Yep. Destroy that. Get through it. Yep. Go, bro. Did you unlock the door for me? Yep. Yeah. Right through the, yeah. Oh, I'm on your cheek. Yep. Oh yeah, you messed up. You came over here. Give me your ass. Give me your ass. Come on, brother. You can't do it. Oh yeah, and you thought you was juking? Oh, you juked me. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, you ran through here? Where you going, Dada? Oh, he's over there. Get him. Oh, that's a different person. The other girl juked me on my socks. I mean, the other dude. Where are you going? Destroy that. What do you think? I can't do it? Huh? Yeah. I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass. I should have destroyed these beforehand so then I could have had a straight shot. That's my problem. Alright, where are you? You can't run forever. Damn. It's just like... Oh, are you through here? Damn, I lost him. I lost him! Bro live in a real underground mansion, cause what? I still haven't found upstairs. Like, I just don't know where to go. Where is this? Finally! Upstairs, baby! Where y'all at? Where's Pop so I can give him some din-dins? Oh yeah. Where's Dad at? Bruh, it's not letting me do nothing, bruh. I'm not trying to go back downstairs. Where is he at? Over here? Oh yeah. Who is this? What? Bro's tripping right there. Do we still got players in the game? We do. So what are we doing? Am I lagging? Is that why bro's tripping right there? That's cool. Somebody help. Oh, you're not hungry. That's why. I'm tripping. All right, bet. We outside. How y'all get all these skeleton and bones in here without it? I know it stink. Oh, I knew the game was tripping. I'm like, what? Give me that blood for Grandpa. Yep, yep. You're making noises over here? I know you're not making noises already. Bro, I just hate how. What are you doing? Hold on, I gotta rev up. Where do you think you're going, huh? I don't know who this 255 is. They gonna have to wait. Damn. Oh, yep. Where you think you're going, huh? Yep. I'm on your ass. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Not a. Nope. Yeah. Hold on. How'd you get on that side? What happened? What just happened? Oh yeah, stand up. Bro just tripped and fell. Yep. Get mad. Let's do this. Where do you think you're going, huh? You're not getting away from me. Damn, I lost you already. Oh no, I did it. Yep, go ahead and go through that. I'm right here with it. I'm right here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Bro is trying to juke me out of my socks. Nope. Get your ass over here, nigga. Oh my god. I wish bro could run a little faster. Heavy ass boots he got on. Oh my lord, bro. Oh my lord. I just want you to run. You motherfucker, bro. Ah! I don't know how to play the game. Oh, I can't even do nothing. So she's standing there. They know I'm trash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now it's your wish. Yep, better get to dipping. Yep. How does closing the door make you trip and fall, bro? Damn. And it's two of them now. It's two niggas. I got two. Am I just trashed the game, bro? He's stabbing. Bro, he's been right here the whole time and I still can't kill him. You're dying. You're dying. You're dying. Bro's been right here the whole time and I can't kill him. And he keeps closing the door on me. Oh, you're bleeding. You're almost dead. Please run, bro. Yeah. Yep. You too. I don't even want you yet. I want him or her. She's playing with my top. Oh my gosh. No, you're not doing that again. And bro keeps on stab me again. Come on. Do I got teammates? This is the worst gameplay ever. I hate it. I'm trash. Thank you, bro. What? That's what you get playing games. And then you gonna come back and stab. Yeah, where are you? Where you at? Oh, I thought that was you right there. I was gonna say. Bro escaped. What is bro doing? That's dangerous, bro. You might cut yourself. Cut your leg off. That was so trash. I gotta do another one. We're playing out as a victim because I just got, like, what? Leatherface, trash. Let me get some juke moves under my belt. Okay, now I'm bro. Okay, what he got? What he got going? My dude got strength. He got stealth is pretty duke. Endurance, toughness. Where's the speed at, bro? Where the speed at, bro? We don't need no strength. We need some speed. He was not doing no sprint moves. Stay quiet and hidden. Ooh. Find useful items. Ooh. Unlock exits. Ooh. Bro is not poking at no lock. Bro is just jabbing the This is me? How am I supposed to get out? Oh. Come on! I gotta follow her because I don't know what to do. Alright, bet. Shh. Be quiet.
Oh my God. What are they doing to me?
Is that somebody on my cheeks? Oh my lord. Shh.
Okay, Anna. You can do this.
God, he's right there. Oh my God! Nope. Hit the dips. Hit the dips. Yep. Stand up. Please stand up. Is he going around? Oh my gosh. I thought it was easier. It's all right, bet. Nope. Call me Mr. Hurdles. I can't go out that way. My fault. Shh. Search the scraps.
What is this place?
How are you supposed to like? Oh, you're gonna unlock it? He's coming. Shh. Brody bro. Shh. Be quiet. All right, back to what I was doing. It makes you start your progress over. What? She opened the door.
It's not great, but it's something.
Okay, let's do this. Yep, escape from the basement already. Come on, hurry up. Yep. Oh, we're out of here. Yep. Where'd the other lady go? She moved quick. Shh. What is that? Somebody's over there.
I'm tougher than I look.
Oh! Stop moving. Oh, he's right there. I'm not moving. My God. Can they see me? Nope, he can't see me. What? How? Did I die? I'm executed off one thing, bro. How did he even see me? Bro, I'm out of here, bro. What was your name? Chocolate Doll, bro? I'm letting you down.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas.
Stay calm, Anna. God, you can do this. What are they doing to me?
She said I'm loud and fast. What? Hold on. I'm following you.
Just keep moving, Connie.
Yep. It's really all about teamwork. Oh.
This door has to lead out of here. I need to open it.
What does my superpower do? Oh my god. Bro scared me. Oh, you got the unlock tool? Bet. Bet. Hey! Yep. Yep. Go ahead and cut that down. Yep, because we don't need none of that. We don't need no distractions. Only locked in and clocked in. I love you guys. Yes, let's do it. She said he's coming. Hold on. Guys. Alright, I'm going up. Oh my god. Do the dips! Do the dips, guys! Guys! I'm hiding right here. Yep, go that way. Pure dumbass.
Now, let's see where you scurried off to.
I don't even know what that does.
In God's name.
Shh.
What is this place?
Shh. Is somebody up here?
Wait, what's that?
Oh my god! Get up out of there! Duke move. What? You ain't even seeing me for real. You ain't even seeing me for real. I'm finna duck right here. Wait. Dumbass niggas. Shh. Am I dead? I'm dead. Ah! Get up out of there! How did you escape already? Nope. Thought you was swiping. You ain't swiping nothing over here. Doing a dash. Dashboards. How? What do I do? Maybe I gotta try to... Shh, be quiet. Duck. He can't see me no more. He lost me. Where's the exit? Oh my gosh. Somebody's dead. I have no unlock tools.
I'm gonna try and go for the car battery. I got the left door open. I just gotta get the battery and the thing.
Bet. Do your thing. Is this an exit? Overload pressure valve? Bro. What is this?
Please let this stuff be safe.
I'm healing.
Someone's back here. I don't think I can get it.
I'm sorry.
I set the chickens off.
I need a pressure valve. Look at bro up there patrolling. That's why you can't even see me. You look dumb. We need to find a pressure valve.
Madre de Dios. Please.
Oh God. You're getting juked. Go ahead and come down here if you want to. Alright, he's doing some dumb.
Pay more attention, Anna.
Oh my God, bro.
Okay, yeah. She ain't moving. Different exit.
I don't know what my specialty does. That's the biggest thing. Fuck everything else. What is this? A battery? Can I pick that up? Okay, chill. We need to look at some, oh my gosh. Did you hear me? No, he didn't. He's just going to the top. Bro's mad puppy garden, though.
Oh, still locked.
Shh, stop talking. Oh, he's up there. Is that an exit? Did he see me? He see me. Oh my god! Get up! Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Dash. Doing a dash. I'm doing a dash on you. I'm dead. It's wraps. Yep. 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 There it goes, Dad. GG's. GG's, Dads. Watch this juke move, though. Too swifty. Oh my lord. Oh my. This wraps. Yep. 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 Use the shank. Ah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Chocolate. I let you down. I let you down. I'm sorry. I just don't know how to play yet. But when I learn how to, I'm finna run it back. I'm finna stop this recording. And then I'm finna run it back. Ain't no way I'm this trash. Shut up. Chocolate. Come back for part 2. Everybody else, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Always in a barber shop. Quesokeef ain't about this. Quesokeef ain't about that.